go take the breakfast, and you are the topic. Why you won't go look at work? Why you continue want expect me to sign your paycheck? Is it that you're insecure how your breast them tan? Is it that draw you down? Is it that true you look like little people? Gracie, me I come for you. Because you are wicked. When you go at the woman yard, why you never tell her what you tell me? You are wicked. Why you never talk why the woman I tell you if you take down her video them? Why you not talk them something there? Why you not brag about them? That's if you get some money. Gracie, me I come for you. Me go in quiet. Charity is going to be on pause. Gracie, me no want nobody call me about nothing else. When you call me, the topic is about Gracie. Me first tell you, I'm married to my father. So I'm supposed to send me go wash up the dishes. That's what your parents do. You okay? Me first tell you that. I'm married to my father. So I'm supposed to send me. So if I that alone I wanna see good life. Sad, life sad. So I wanna carry on a pitney a zoo and the zoo reject Nah register the pitney them. Pitney ugly. There England and nobody no know nobody no recognize You see there, a Lorraine name fi depend. Forget food fi go pitney. Hungry, pitney them hungry. Hungry, pitney them hungry. So have to come up and Lorraine name. Yes, my father send me go wash up the dish them.